you're experiencing FPS drops in Elden Ring, follow these steps to optimize your game performance. This guide will help you adjust settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. This includes having a compatible CPU, GPU, and sufficient RAM. If your hardware is below the requirements, consider upgrading. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Keeping your drivers updated can significantly improve performance and stability. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Elden Ring and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution, reduce texture quality, and disable unnecessary features like motion blur and anti-aliasing. These adjustments can help increase FPS. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Close background applications that may consume resources. Additionally, adjust your power settings to high performance in the Windows control panel to ensure your system prioritizes gaming performance. Step 5. Monitor performance. Use performance monitoring tools like MSI Afterburner or built-in FPS counters to track your game's performance. This will help you identify any further adjustments needed to maintain a stable frame rate. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Elden Ring gameplay experience. Enjoy your adventure in the lands between.